Hey there. So you started up with sales on HubSpot and now you are thinking about how can I assign a sales seat to one of my team members. It's easily possible and today we will teach you how to do the same.
Firstly, click on Settings and now on the left hand side, click on Users and Teams. Here, you'll be able to see your users and you can manage their permissions by clicking on Edit Permissions. Once you click on Edit Permissions, go to the Sales tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can provide them with sales access. So once you toggle it on, you would be able to give your users access to sales tools, for example, templates, forecasts, playbooks, sequences. You can also give them access to meeting scheduling pages by turning it on. You can also give them access to sequences. And you can also allow them to view everyone else's workspace by switching this toggle on. Once you have done all of this, you just have to click on Save on the top right. Now you can also assign seats to your users. In order to do so, click on Seats on the top just besides the Users tab. Here you can assign the seats. For example, in the Sales Professional plan that we have around 5 seats. So we can assign one more seat to this person over here. So on the name of the user, click on Change Seat besides that. And in the Sales Professional plan, click on the seat. So we have 3 seats left. We are just going to assign 1 seat to Aditya Nath Jha, that's me. And then finally click on Save and your seats are updated. Now we have 2 seats left and 1 seat has been assigned to Aditya Nath Jha. One another was already assigned to another user and same for another user. So this is how you can assign your seats to your sales professional inside HubSpot, and this is how you can also manage their sales permissions.
So guys, this was how you can assign a seat to one of your team members inside HubSpot in the Sales Hub. And in case you run into any issues, do let us know about it in the comments below. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. In case you are running into any issues or you need our help, in order to do something beautiful of your own, you can scan the QR code on the screen in front of you and we'll be more than happy to assist you. And for all of your custom solutions related to HubSpot, don't forget to visit ctn9.com.